Hi, I'm Anna Somerset, partner at Varghese Somerset Law Firm, and today we're going to talk about the differences in types of dismissals, specifically those with and without prejudice. So a dismissal in any case is always a positive outcome for the defendant. It means the case is no longer going to be pursued by the prosecution. But a question that often lingers is, could the case ever be prosecuted again once it's dismissed? And the answer, unfortunately, is yes, unless the case is dismissed with prejudice. With prejudice means that the prosecution would be barred from pursuing prosecution again in the future. They wouldn't be able to refile the case or rearrest on the case. They couldn't pursue motions or trials against an individual if a case is dismissed with prejudice. Certain circumstances where you would see this happen are cases where the prosecution agrees there's no probable cause to pursue the case, or cases where the statute of limitations has passed and run and they cannot legally pursue an additional prosecution. Most dismissals, however, are dismissed without prejudice, and this leaves open the rare circumstance where the prosecution could decide to pursue the case again in the future should new evidence arise. So if a case is dismissed by prosecutor discretion, then it is not dismissed with prejudice. It is something that they decided at this time, we do not have significant evidence, nor do we wish to pursue the case, so we are going to dismiss it so as to preserve judicial economy and state resources. However, they reserve the right to refile the case should additional evidence give them reason to in the future. That's the big difference. Make sure that when you're getting a dismissal, you're asking those important questions. Is this with or without prejudice? Now, in terms of getting your case expunged, how your case is dismissed is not necessarily going to affect whether your case is eligible for an expunction. There is a type of dismissal where your case is dismissed because you were convicted on a separate offense. Those cases are going to be affected, but as to whether the case is dismissed with or without prejudice, that is not going to affect your eventual eligibility for the case to be expunged. That's why there is a waiting period for an expunction, so that the state has an opportunity should something arise and they need to pursue the case further, they can. Once that time has run, that limitations has passed, you can still pursue an expunction even if your case was dismissed without prejudice. Hope that helps. Again, my name is Anna Somerset. I'm one of the partners here at Varghese Somerset Law Firm. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to post them below, and we'll try to get to them as quickly as we can. Otherwise, feel free to visit us at versestexas.com. Thanks for watching.